Hello friends, and welcome to another Wednesday Quickie. If today is the first time visiting with us, we want to extend you a very warm welcome and invite you to view any of our over 400 videos that are arranged for your convenience in playlists, as we are confident you're going to find something both enjoyable and educational. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. Today we're going to talk about the war of the pencils. We all know that we need a pencil to make marks on our wood whenever we work on a project. And the traditional pencil has always been this. We are not, by the way, sponsored by Home Depot, just happened to be a Home Depot pencil I have. And this has been the go-to tool for a long time, and a lot of people swear by this, right? And we're going to put it in battle against this mean guy, this mean-spirited dude, you know? So which one is better?
Well, what is that?
That is a mechanical pencil, and I will spoil the suspense saying that this is my favorite way of doing it, because when you try to mark something, the thickness of this, I don't know, can you see the difference in thickness?
Yeah, that's a tiny guy.
Right, and the thickness of this kind of forces you to be in an angle, and then you end up with a very...
It's a broad line.
Right, where this is a very, very specific. I mean, look at the difference, right? And also, when you're next to something, because of the little neck here, you can go up and down, which gives you the best and the most close. I mean, you can see the difference, right? Well, let's do the same with the big pencil. And you can see again, this is not as defined. It is much lower tolerances, right?
Yeah.
Advantages and disadvantages. What is the advantage of this? It fits very nice over your ear, and you look very manly, right? I mean, you look very official, woodworking like.
It's big, it's bulky.
You are the dude, yeah. If you like big and bulky, that's for you, right? This, on the other hand, is a little nerdy.
A little.
And it doesn't want to stay in my ear, actually. Yeah. So this is not a good. This goes to the old pencil. Advantage, this has a lot of leads in here, and you have a very easy way to extend it if you do a lot of marks. This, on the other hand, you have to use a sharpener, a mechanical sharpener to sharpen it, or use your trusty knife and hope you don't cut yourself.
Right.
I mean, you know.
But, on the other hand...
It's very manly. No? That's not what you're going to say?
No, what I was going to say is, this one,
I'm messing your table.
favorite, has, you know, a clip on it, so you can use your trusty pocket protector.
Yeah, that's what I said, it's very nerdy. For precision, I will definitely go with this, right? For convenience, I will go to this, and definitely I like, I mean, look at next to the wood, I like this. Yes?
Yep.
For this, I mean, you can see immediately how much it puts you off. Look at the difference between that, even when I turn it over, and this, even if I turn it over.
Yep.
You are much more precise. This is a more precise pencil. It's a mechanical pencil. This I got from Amazon. I don't know this brand. Graph Gear 500. I prefer the 0.5. The 0.25 are too thin for me. Maybe my old eyes cannot see that thin of a line. But I prefer the 0.5. On Amazon, this is about $2. It's not an expensive piece of equipment, right? Mm-hmm. You can buy more expensive ones, but especially for the shop, why? I'm sure at some point I will probably cut through it or step on it. I mean, I'm sure it won't last for a long time. So $2 is something that it's okay to spend on a saw pencil. And that's another advantage, I guess, right? This is $2. This is $1.78, but you throw away.
So, can you get replacement leads for it? Or
Yes,
can
and
you buy new ones?
you can get replacement and you get about 500 for another $2. So while the initial cost is a little higher, again this is about 150, 160, this is $2. But when this is done, it's done, right? You throw it away. For another $2, this is probably, I think 500 LEDs will last me a lifetime. I don't think I will. In fact, I know that I have from my college days still some little containers with lead in them, right? So it does boil down to preference, I think. And my preference is this pen, the mechanical pen, pencil, I'm sorry, it's not a pen. There are both pros and cons for either one. And definitely if you want to look more manly, this is your choice, right? If you want to look more geeky and be more precise, this is your go. Which one is the sexier? I mean, you know, which one you go for?
Well,
Now this one or Mr. Geek?
the more substantial one is a little bit,
Oh, he,
brutish.
I said Brutus. You go for the Brutus guys, huh?
Oh, yeah.
In any case, this is our quick video for today. We have tried to keep our quickies quick because sometimes they got longer. We hope you enjoyed it and you find some useful information in it. And if you did, we'll appreciate a thumbs up. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share, like, subscribe, and let us know what you would like to see in our Wednesday quickies. And look for another video over the weekend. From the Garage Woodworker and Mrs. Woodworker and the Urban Homesteading channel, thank you for watching and we bid you a great week. Farewell, friends.